Christmas in Madrid is an extraordinary display of light and celebration. With over 10 million lights illuminating more than 200 streets, the city becomes the beating heart of Christmas nights around the world. From the main square with its giant Christmas tree to bustling markets and twinkling streets, everything is set for an unforgettable experience. Join us on this walking tour and discover the stunning beauty of Madrid up close. If you're enjoying the beauty of Christmas in Madrid, subscribe to see the best tourist destinations, luxurious hotels, and the most beautiful places in cities around the world. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below.
Sí, no, pero... A ver si ahora no pueden.
Welcome to Puerta del Sol, the beating heart of Madrid's holiday magic. Did you know that this historic square has been the symbol of Spain's capital for centuries? It's not just a stunning holiday destination. It's also where the countdown to the new year takes place every year, as people gather to eat the traditional 12 grapes for good luck. The illuminated Christmas tree and surrounding lights turn this iconic square into one of the most dazzling spots in Madrid, making it a must-see for travelers and locals alike.
No pasa nada.
Esto tiene mucha influencia. Vamos a ver esto comparado.
Esto se va a poner para que se vea largo. Ay, ay. Espíritu brasileño.
Déjame ahí lo que hay.
Gran Vía is one of Madrid's most iconic streets, embodying the vibrant energy of the city. Often referred to as the Broadway of Spain, it is home to luxurious hotels, grand cinemas, historic theaters, and lively musical cafes. One of its most captivating landmarks is the Metropolis building with its golden dome and stunning angel statue, making it one of the city's most photographed sights. The Telefonica building, Madrid's first skyscraper, also stands proudly on this street, showcasing the city's early architectural modernity. Gran Vía blends history, modernity, and dazzling lights to create a unique space for shopping, entertainment, and enjoying Madrid's nightlife. It is truly the beating heart of Madrid's tourism and culture, leaving every visitor in awe.
¿Has movido la fotógrafa? Una vestida. Ahí se observa. Solamente para sí.
Qué buena comida. Te ha abarcado bien.
Every street in Madrid has its unique take on Christmas lights. From elegant golden decorations to playful, multicolored displays, each area of the city creates its own magical atmosphere. As we walk through the Christmas market, the lights create a festive maze of colors and shapes, giving you the perfect holiday experience. We hope you've enjoyed this magical Christmas tour of Madrid. If you loved the lights and the holiday spirit here, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing travel experiences, stunning holiday destinations, and insider tips from the world's best cities. Let us know in the comments what your favorite part of this festive season is. And be sure to share this video with fellow travelers. See you in the next adventure.